Have you seen a cup of coffee anywhere?
It's behind you. On the floor, on the ground.
Ready? Right here. This is first day of my new space, my first day in my first space in Atlanta. Marcus is documenting this and helping me carry things in. We got our coffee, we got our canvases, we got our trees, so we're all set. Just need to carry more stuff in. First he said, I'm okay with you skating. And then after a long pause, he said, but it would be ideal if you waited 6 weeks. He said, you're an adult, if you want to skate, go ahead skate, but I didn't have to do surgery again. And you know, I'm like, well, you know what? I'd be pretty stupid. If my doctor says to wait, ideally wait 6 weeks, I'd be really, really stupid to skate.
Yeah.
Because then, you know how I would be blaming myself if I fucked my wrist up again? I went to use my feet to push higher, and my foot slipped on the gravel, which I hurt myself hardcore the last time I parkoured. This gravel kind of did me in.
You gonna do some parkour while you're out here?
Oh yeah. Oh, I've been looking. Look at this beautiful rock. Look at this what kind of rock. See?
Yeah.
That I don't know where we'll go, but I got a bone. Some things are light like this. See? And this is light. So I've been picking them up off the property. Look at the leaves. So there's your bag. Do you carry your bag in?
Yeah. It's not fun.
It must weigh a million
Hey,
pounds.
I got my new machine.
I saw that.
You sit down in this, you crack the wheel, and it forces your legs to spread open wide. And I want to be able to get my kicks higher and faster. I need to lose
It says Tiger Claw, so it's actually made for that?
Yeah, well, it's for martial arts.
That's what I meant. It's called Tiger Claw. So.
Yeah.
Can I sit in it?
Yeah.
Wow, that's crazy. What a contraption. Someone made money inventing this thing too. People invent all sorts of things.
Here, I can let this seat back a little bit. There we go.
Oh, this is like the pendulum. You put someone's head in there, it's like, you know. Oh my God, that's it. You're in a competition. You put your opponent's head in there and you just crank it down.
Yeah, right, yeah.
Beg for mercy.
You could.
You can kick in this? Nice window. I like your window. See his window? Okay, so what I have here is, this is 8 by a lot of feet. So it'll be 8 feet this way. And then another 8, I can do 2 at one time, up to here, 16 feet, see?
Yeah.
They had that space left over. And then I had the wall. So I can have a lot of things going at one time. And then I can push things that don't fit in that door, I push them over the wall.
What's on the other side of the wall? Is it the hallway or is it another studio?
I gotta do it over here. My God, it didn't even occur to me. Well, there's enough space. Let's go trickier, that's all. I can't just push it over because it'll end up over there. I need a ladder. That sucks. But no, it's good. I'm gonna call you Sam. I don't know if I can tell you. See, this is where I want to be able to get in the window. I would kind of try. I think I might be too big, but no. I really like to get in there. I think I may be too little. What do you think? Think I could fit in there?
Is there another way in?
No. Well, yeah, I think this is. I think all the ways in have a window that I think they're all the same size. Their doors are gated and locked, with padlocks. That's what you mean.
Not until you get better.
But of course not. No, because I think I could fit in there.
Yeah, you can fit through there.
I think so. There's somewhere from the farm you can see a skyline. It's not in. Oh, there it is. There's a skyline. Kind of crazy how you see a skyline and see all the vegetation at the same time. Well, I guess it's time to leave the studio, and I guess I'll lock my door, lock up all the valuables. You know how these artists are. Always. Yay!
It happens in your town, and it happens in my town. Each day, each week, each month. But before every wedding must come a prelude, a first chapter in these love stories that will carry on through years and years of happiness.